I'm going to ask them if they want to GO on a WALK OUTSIDE. You want to go walking the dog? Licking the face. You want to go walking the dog? You want to go walking the dog? You want to go walking the dog?
Are you hungry? It's ready! It's dinner time! Dinner time! Hope and Rosie want the dinner time. 'Cause the hungry, hungry, hungry girls. Yeah-ho! Yay, Rosie!
Hey, Daddy's home.
You got a full walk? 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 Ready? You ready for a walk? Ready for a walk? Gosh. Come on, come on, come on. Hey, 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 calm down, calm down, calm down.
Ha ha ha!